Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are talking about Electrocore, ticker symbol ECOR, ECOR. This is a stock that I have covered a couple of different times. It is one of my favorite penny stocks. We have a whole channel devoted to ECOR on our Discord, which is completely free. I first spoke about ECOR around about $1.90 on my Discord, and I first started buying myself at $1.60. Okay, this is a stock which I see massive potential. And if you weren't aware, yesterday we had a huge spike, a massive trading day. This stock went up around about 55% out of nowhere. I've called ECOR my secret penny stock for about a month now, and it has been pretty much flatlining, if anything going down. However, it's finally had its spike. It went up 55%. It did close the day up around about 25% in the end as well. So it did drop off in the end. As with most stocks, they start off high. Towards the end of the day, you tend to see these dip a little bit. This went up 25%. We're talking about ECOR, why we suddenly see a spike in this one, and all the juicy news around Electrocore. If you appreciate that, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing into the stock market. So I've done full analysis videos on ECOR and lots of different updates. This company is one I really love. Basically here they have this product, the GAXY Sapphire. It is basically a handheld device that you can use, which is going to help treat cluster headaches and migraines. Along with it has also been approved for a COVID prevention in terms of asthma, etc. This is really doing amazing things. You can see this is the first FDA cleared non-invasive vagus nerve stimulator, and you can see the amazing things here. It's fast acting, highly targeted, comfortable, easy to use, just a handheld device. I mentioned before I used to suffer from cluster headaches myself quite a lot, and I would have done anything for a device like this. I really think this is a amazing solution to quite a big problem, and we've covered that in a previous analysis. You can go into how big this is, etc. in my previous videos. Okay, you can use this multiple times a day. I want to quickly show you what it can be used for, just so you get a better understanding here. I'm going to put this up on the screen. You can see inflammation and neurology/pain. We mentioned cluster headaches and migraines. It can also be used for PTSD, stroke, and then even asthma within the COVID patients, which I mentioned already. Reactive airway disease. There's lots of things they are exploring with this product, and as we've already mentioned, it is the only FDA cleared non-invasive VNS therapy. So I want to go into some news about this company, why we're suddenly seeing a lot of attraction. We mentioned previously about the NHS. This company has been approved to be used within the NHS. Okay, now we've also been received this. This was about a couple of weeks ago. I haven't covered it since my previous update. Electrocore announces 510 clearance of GAXY NVS simulation to treat adolescent migraine. Okay, so it can now be used in adolescents from the age of 12 to 17 years of age. This is big. We know that migraine is a very common disease. You know, it can affect adults at home. A lot of people suffer from it. You can see here, 10% of all school-aged children, up to 28% of teens between the ages 15 to 19 live with migraines, and 37% of children find their schoolwork suffers during a headache. And I can see this from a first-hand experience. I do know that a lot of people suffer from this, and this is really going to help. It's been FDA cleared now for this age range, and we can see it is the only treatment option, drug or device, that is currently available for the acute and preventive treatment of migraine in adolescents. That is massive. The only current treatment out there, which is big, because that was our first big bit of news. That was a couple of weeks ago. That was followed a few days later by this. Electrocore announces 2-year extension of GAXY listing in the NHS supply chain catalogue. So you can see that this will now remain listed here until June the 3rd, 2023 with the NHS catalogue. The NHS is our national health service. It is absolutely huge. Everybody knows the NHS, and they say, we are pleased that this extension will allow the NHS Trust and Healthcare Organisation to option to continuously procure GAXY Sapphire through the NHS supply chain online catalogue. That is from the Vice President and European Operations at Electrocore. Importantly, inclusion in this catalogue helps ensure GAXY therapy is broadly accessible to patients across the UK who may benefit from NVIS. So this is big, okay? The role of the NHS supply chain is to help NHS deliver clinical assured quality products at the best value to its patients. This is FDA cleared, a quality product, and it's a very under the radar company at the moment. Like, we'll go into the share price, etc. in just a bit, and we already touched on it, but yeah, very under the radar, hence I call this my secret penny stock. I don't think it will be secret for much longer after this huge pump yesterday. Now into the big bit of news which did come out just on the weekend. Hence, when we open on Monday, we see this one shoot up at massive amounts before dropping off. Electrocore announces an exclusive distribution agreement with Medistar following a regulatory approval in Australia. They're expanding out into Australia, okay? This is absolutely massive for this company. Today they announced that they have entered into an agreement with Medistar whereby Medistar will serve as the exclusive distributor of GAMACORE Sapphire in Australia, supplying therapy to patients suffering with primary headache disorders. The announcement follows the granting of regulatory approval from the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration for the promotion and sale of GAMACORE Sapphire or family of products. So this is really, really big, okay? They say that Medistar has expertise in medical device distribution in Australia, and we are incredibly excited to have its team working on behalf of Electrocore. Medistar itself is very excited to be partnering with Electrocore to help Australians access GAMACORE Sapphire and assist healthcare professionals to add this treatment option to their medical practice. Things are starting to really go in the right direction with this company. Mission is to partner with suppliers of health professionals to provide education and support for technologies that improve efficiencies, patients' well-being and outcomes. It's therapy for Australians who do not tolerate or respond well to current headache therapies, okay? This is not like taking a tablet or maybe some sort of painkiller. This is literally a product that you can hold onto the nerve system, and yeah, it's going to hopefully relieve the pain and stress caused from headaches and migraines. It's doing great things. It's getting partners. It's expanded its partnership. It's moving out into Australia, and it has been FDA cleared as well to treat adolescents migraines as well. Things are all going in the right direction. This is just a bunch of news that's come out around this company within the last couple of weeks, and we've already touched on more and more great things coming from this company over my past few videos on these as well. Stay tuned for this one, Electrocore, because I really do think it's going to be big, okay? And I'm definitely an investor in this one, if you can't already tell. My average price, I started buying in at 166, which is sitting on very nice gains, but I have been averaging up somewhat, still sitting on a very nice percentage gains as we are. So let's have a look at the share price. Like I say, I started buying this one at 166. We did actually see this one touch $3, okay, just past $3. And yeah, it has had a bit of a sell-off. And now after today's pump, we're currently at 264. So I think this was going in the right direction. This is a company with a market cap of 120 million. A really, really small penny stock, okay? And not many people are talking about this one. You can't find out a lot of information from other investors on this one. I really love this company. I've been investing in this one for quite some time, and I'm happy to be a shareholder as well. I think big things are to come. I can see this definitely doubling in price by the end of the year. That will be my aims anyway. However, I am not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research first. Let me know your thoughts on ECOR. Have you even heard of this company? Did you hear about it because of the big share price action yesterday? Let me know your thoughts. This is the penny stock that I am buying. And yeah, that's just my opinion, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated. And until next time,